Good afternoon and welcome to the market summary. The UK FTSE 100 finished up 0.48% on the 21st, closing on 6654 spot 2. Npower became the third major energy firm to show their hands and raise their dual fuel bill prices by 10.4%. Price rise will add £137 to an average fuel bill over the course of a year and will affect 3.1 million people. The price rise is made up of an 11.1% rise in gas and a 9.3% rise in electricity. US home prices rose at their slowest pace during September and home resales fell. The housing market recovery in the US now seems to be running out of steam as home sales fell by 1.9%. McDonald's, who have been struggling by weak economic growth and stiffer competition, have stated that global sales will come in flat for October and that trend will continue into the fourth quarter. On the back of this news, the share price fell nearly 2%, which is adding pressure on the current chief executive, Don Thompson, who has been in charge for just over a year. On the commodity front, coffee has now fallen to its lowest level since March 2009, as supply is continuing to increase. Brazil, who are the largest exporter of coffee, have been helped by dry weather, which improves growing conditions significantly. They have been helped by alternating conditions, which has allowed them to both work in the field and also spur crops. The favourable conditions will push supply to a 5-year high, which will prove very useful to companies such as Starbucks. WTI crude has also fallen due to a 3-month high in supply. WTI supplies rose by 4 million barrels for the weekend in 11th of October 2013 to 374.5 million. The excess in supply is being blamed on weak demand from refineries during the turnaround periods. On the markets, where G4S had a positive day, jumping 3.55%, after a private equity group has rumoured to be considering a bid. It has been rumoured that Charterhouse Capital Partners are pondering a bid in the region of £1 billion. RBS had a day to forget. They dropped over 5% on the news that the government are considering splitting the company into a good and bad bank. Marks & Spencer's also dropped down on the news that current development buying director Gillian Ridley is set to depart the company and join Target, the Australian department store. Thanks for listening and tune in tomorrow.